If you're looking for a naturally sweet treat that's easy to make and perfect for lunchboxes, these carrot date balls are a must-try. We're starting with 1 cup of piti dates. Soak these dates in water overnight to soften them. Add those to a food processor along with 1 cup of walnuts, a 1/4 cup of shredded carrots, and 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed orange juice or water. Blend everything together until the mixture is well combined. At this stage, the carrots blend right in, you won't taste them, but they add a little extra nutrition. Next, add 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Blend again until the mixture thickens and starts to come together in a log-like consistency in your food processor. Lightly grease your hands with coconut oil and roll the mixture into equal-sized balls. You should get about 18 to 20, depending on size. Now comes the fun part. Roll the balls in cocoa powder, blended freeze-dried strawberries, or even blue spirulina powder for naturally colored coatings. You can mix and match or leave them plain. They're delicious either way. Store the date balls in an airtight container in the freezer. They're soft enough to enjoy straight from frozen and make the perfect little snack, lunchbox treat, or healthier dessert.